Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best remote keyboard is probably one of the most convenient gadgets you can have for your smart TV or streaming device. It simplifies navigation and typing, offering a seamless experience compared to using a standard remote. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, performance, and overall value of this remote keyboard, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your entertainment setup. Number 5. Fosmon Mini Bluetooth Keyboard with Touchpad. This compact keyboard combines comfort with wireless freedom. It puts everything you need right in the palm of your hand, allowing you to easily navigate the cursor. It connects to various devices via Bluetooth, including Apple TV, Fire Stick, PlayStation, and smartphones. With a range of up to 33 feet, you can easily control your devices. The keyboard features a built-in rechargeable battery that provides up to 10 days of continuous use. LED indicators let you know when it's charging or when the battery is low. The convenient backlit keyboard is perfect for use in dark environments. It makes it easy to type and navigate, even when the lights are low. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Please check your device's Bluetooth compatibility before purchasing to ensure it works with your devices. What we like. This keyboard is perfect for anyone who needs a versatile remote from multiple devices. Its Bluetooth compatibility makes it easy to connect to your smart TV, gaming consoles, and even your phone. If you are looking for a compact and portable solution for all your entertainment needs, this is the one for you. What people say. The keyboard is easy to use and I have no issues typing on it. Even my husband, who has much larger hands than I, is able to use it pretty well, even though he does fat finger another key every now and then, but he also thinks it's pretty decent for him to use. It had no issues connecting with the Bluetooth to a few things like our TV, the projector, and as well as the mini PC. Initial thoughts were this feels cheap, but after use it works really well. Keyboard lights up nicely, all functions are easy to use. Overall a great Bluetooth mini keyboard, excellent for the Steam Deck. It's amazing for navigating and watching shows. The gaming portion, because I use a controller on my PC and just phone-style type games on here like Raid SL, but I would recommend it for anything that isn't a relaxed play. Battery is last a long time, one every like 2 weeks, and charges quickly. Overall it's perfect for my setup. Number 4. VIZIO TV XRT 500 QWERTY Backlight Remote Replacement. Are you tired of your old remote? This is a replacement remote for your VIZIO TV. It's easy to use and will have you back to enjoying your shows in no time. This remote is compatible with a wide range of VIZIO TV models. It works with M Series, P Series, and E Series TVs. Check the list to see if it fits your TV. This remote features a QWERTY keyboard for easy text input. It also has a backlight, so you can use it even in the dark. It makes navigation a breeze. No programming is needed. Just install the batteries, and it's ready to go. It's a simple and convenient solution for your TV control needs. Get this replacement remote and enjoy your TV experience. It's a reliable and user-friendly remote that will enhance your viewing pleasure. What we like. This remote is designed specifically for VIZIO TVs. If you've lost your original remote or need a replacement with a full keyboard, this is a great choice. It's easy to set up and use, making it ideal for those who want a simple and effective solution. What people say. I love that I can use the keyboard to type whatever I want. The buttons are responsive, the layout is intuitive, and the full QWERTY keyboard on the back is a huge upgrade. This model you just type like any reasonable person would and it just works. The backlight is also great. Number 3. Redragon K580 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. This keyboard features a tri-mode connection, offering USB-C wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless options. This allows you to connect to multiple devices with ease and enjoy a seamless experience across all platforms. The hot swappable sockets are compatible with nearly all 3 5-pin switches. This next-level socket makes switch mounting easier and more stable. You can customize the feel of the keyboard to your liking. It has 5 programmable macro keys that can record macros on the fly. You can easily edit and customize the keyboard to fit your unique style and gaming needs. The keyboard includes dedicated multimedia controls for quick access to music playback. It also features a volume and backlight adjustment wheel for convenient control. With the available software, you can design your own modes and effects. You can also create macros with different key bindings for more efficient work in gaming. What we like. This keyboard is a great choice for gamers and anyone who wants a premium typing experience. Its hot swappable switches allow for customization, and the dedicated media controls make it easy to manage your music and videos. If you like a keyboard that offers both performance and style, this is the one. What people say. The volume knob is knurled so you can turn it easily. However, this knob also has a positive feel in that it has some friction, so you can fine-tune volume. The LED backlighting is perfect. It shows through the keys so you can find keys in the dark. They feel great. They're blues on this keyboard, which is how I like it, good actuation force, tactile, and oh so clicky. I don't have an insane amount of experience on other keyboards, so I'm no expert on the matter, but I usually prefer my keyboard over other keyboards I've tried. The main, direct comparisons I can offer are to that of Logitech's and Razer's, both newer and older, blues, and I can say for certain that this keyboard is easily on the same level. Number 2. Wireless mini keyboard with touchpad and RGB backlit. This mini keyboard connects wirelessly via a 2.4 GHz USB adapter. It's designed for easy typing and navigation on various devices. It works with Android TV boxes, smart TVs, computers, laptops, and more. Make sure your device has a USB port and check the compatibility list before you buy it. The connection is established through a USB dongle, not Bluetooth. This provides a stable and reliable wireless experience. The built-in touchpad and full keyboard make it easy to control your device. The backlit feature makes it easy to use even in the dark. It has a rechargeable Li-ion battery for long-lasting use. The auto-sleep function helps conserve battery life. This mini keyboard makes it easy to browse the web, play games, or control your device remotely. It is a great solution for your home entertainment. What we like. This remote is perfect for those who want a simple and easy-to-use solution for their smart TV or Android TV box. The touchpad and keyboard combo makes navigation a breeze, and the backlit keys make it easy to use in the dark. If you are looking for a simple and effective remote, this is the one for you. What people say. It's compact and lightweight, worked right out of the box with no setup needed and fits my needs. These are the good ones. I purchased this mini keyboard mouse combo to replace one that wore out, and this replacement is nicer than the last one. It's a little more stout or sturdy feeling and the plastic is of higher quality. This one is nice too because it's rechargeable. Device works fine, nothing fancy, using it to control a W10HT PC connected to a projector flat screen. I find it goes to sleep a little too quickly, but do love the fact it's got a BL5 Li-ion battery that has more than enough capacity to last quite a while before needing to be recharged. Number 1. SofaBaton X1S Universal Remote. This is the SofaBaton X1S, a smart universal remote control. It's designed to simplify your home entertainment experience. With this, you can control up to 60 devices. The X1S boasts a comprehensive code library, compatible with over 6,000 brands and 500,000 device models. The database is continuously updated, ensuring it works with your devices now and in the future. Set up custom activities to control multiple devices with a single button press. For example, create a Watch TV activity to turn on all your devices at once. It makes your life more convenient and efficient. The X1S Hub offers 360-degree control and a more stable signal. You can control your devices from anywhere in the room. It also comes with IR blasters to eliminate signal blind spots. Enjoy hands-free control with Alexa and Google Assistant. Simply use voice commands to manage your entertainment. For instance, you can tell it to play music. The remote features a backlight for easy use in the dark. It also has a raise-to-wake feature, so the screen lights up when you pick it up. If you lose it, use the app to find it. Customize the remote with virtual buttons for quick access to your favorite channels or menu options. You can set up macro commands to streamline your control. What we like. This remote is a great choice for anyone who wants to simplify their home entertainment setup. It can control up to 60 devices, and the custom activities feature allows you to create one-touch commands. If you have multiple devices and want to streamline your entertainment experience, this is the one for you. What people say. This remote has been so easy. I had it set up to select things like, watch Netflix or watch Amazon Prime or listen to music. It turns everything on and off and launches the Roku app, IP control. Then touch the off button at the top and everything shuts down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.